Are you buying, selling, or refinancing a home in Ontario? Keep watching this video for important advice on how to save money, avoid mistakes, and have a stress-free experience. My name is Omar. I'm a real estate lawyer at Treadstone Law. I've been practicing real estate law for several years now. And over the years, I've learned that there are certain things that clients should be doing, and there are certain things that clients should be avoiding altogether. What are those things? I've made a list of 5 tips that I find that if everyone buying, selling, or refinancing followed, they'd avoid a ton of mistakes and make better decisions. I'm going to be sharing those pieces of advice with you in this video. Keep watching until the end of the video for a special offer. With our heated real estate market, everything is so fast-paced. Buyers want to close quickly, sellers want to close quickly, the lenders pushing to get everything done as quickly as possible. How do you make the right decisions under those time constraints? You can't go out and become a lawyer, a mortgage broker, and a realtor at the same time. You can't become an expert. What you need to do is you need to focus on the right thing. That's why I made this list of 5 pieces of advice so you can understand where do I focus my attention so I can make the right critical decisions under those time constraints. So what are those pieces of advice? The first piece of advice I'd like to give to buyers, sellers, and people refinancing is to use your real estate team effectively. What does that mean? Different clients approach their relationship and their interaction with their real estate team in different ways. Some clients will go and they'll provide a list of things that they want to their mortgage broker and to their realtor, to their lawyer. They'll just have requests and then they'll wait for the team to execute on those requests. Clients that I find that who make better decisions, who make more financially sound decisions, who avoid a lot of mistakes, are the ones that understand that it's an interactive process. Your mortgage broker is there to provide you advice and secure your mortgage. Your mortgage broker is there to help you understand the whole financing process from a high level, understand your financial situation, and see what's the best decision for you is. Your realtor is there to help you understand the real estate market. Going to a mortgage broker and saying, I want the lowest mortgage rate you can possibly provide is not the best solution. Of course, you want the best rate, but you also have to understand everything else involved in the process. What is the best decision for you to make overall? The same goes with your realtor and your lawyer. So using your real estate team effectively means asking questions. It means understanding that there's a back and forth involved. You need to understand the process. You need to understand what's going on and having an interactive approach. The second piece of advice is to do your research and understand the process. Now, I don't mean that you should go out and become a realtor, a lawyer, and a mortgage broker. What I mean by this is that you should understand the process at a high level. Understand what is involved in each stage of the process, what each of your real estate team members are going to be helping you with, and what is expected from you. Why is that important? It helps you make better decisions in a fast-paced, high-pressure transaction, especially with our real estate market. Sometimes you have to make decisions quickly, you have to complete tasks very quickly, and if you don't, it can be costly. So understanding the process helps you set the expectations and make better decisions. Treadstone Law offers a ton of resources to help Ontario residents understand the real estate process. We offer a number of webinars on each of the real estate transactions. We have a webinar on the purchase process, one on the sale process, and one on the refinance process. Our webinars cover each stage of the transaction, along with the roles played by each of the real estate team members. They are comprehensive. Our webinars also cover common mistakes for you to avoid. They provide specific, actionable advice for you, what you should be doing in each stage, what you should be avoiding, what is expected from you, and what you should expect. The webinars are hosted by real estate lawyers. The information provided is essential for understanding the real estate process. Tickets are just $199. That is a massive value. Real estate lawyers often charge $300 to $400 per hour. $199 is a steal. However, keep watching until the end of this video for a special offer. The third piece of advice is to know your role. What does that mean? There are certain things that you need to be doing during each stage of the process, whether it's with your realtor, your mortgage broker, or your lawyer. For example, during the financing stage, your bank might contact your mortgage broker or specialist and provide them a list of items that they need from you. They might provide specific documents or information, or they might provide something that's more open-ended. Your mortgage broker will call you and ask you for those items. Maybe when it's open-ended, they'll have a discussion with you. What is the best thing that we can provide? What do you have available to you? This means that you need to make sure that you're available to have those discussions, and you need to be submitting those documents in a timely manner. Delays in providing those documents can cause delays in submitting those documents to the bank, approving those documents, and approving your mortgage. In the end, this can cause a delay in your transaction, which can be costly whether you're refinancing, purchasing, or selling your home. The fourth piece of advice is to be realistic and don't get frustrated. Remain patient. In this heated real estate market, often clients have to go through several potential deals before they find that deal. Whether you're buying, selling, or refinancing, clients face this issue across all different types of transactions. Maybe you're buying a house and you keep putting offers and they keep getting rejected. Maybe you're selling a house and you had a few buyers that put conditional offers that were accepted and then they didn't go through. Maybe you're refinancing and you keep getting rejected on your mortgage. The natural instinct is to get frustrated. You want to get this over with. You want to put this behind you. But while that's natural, what's important is to have the right perspective. Understand that getting frustrated may result in you making the wrong decisions. You have to remain patient. Maybe those other houses weren't for you. But when you find the next house, you still have to make a rational decision. You still have to make a financially sound decision. You have to make sure that you remain rational and do not become desperate. Be patient. Sometimes that involves reassessing your expectations, but it also involves understanding the situation more holistically. Why is it that the transactions weren't going through? It's not necessarily a single reason. It could be a whole collection of reasons. So to recap, the first 4 pieces of advice were: number 1, use your team effectively. Number 2, do your research and understand the process. Number 3, know your role. Number 4, be realistic, don't get frustrated, and remain patient. This advice can go a long way in making sure your transaction goes smoothly. Whether you're buying, selling, or refinancing, this advice can help you reduce mistakes, save a ton of money, and reduce stress. Treadstone Law has worked with clients across Ontario providing digital real estate services. As part of our commitment to Ontario residents, we offer real estate webinars to help you guys understand the real estate process. We have specific webinars targeted towards a purchase transaction, a sale transaction, and a refinance transaction. Each of these webinars cover the roles played by each of the professionals. We go over what your mortgage broker does, your lawyer, and your realtor. We provide information that's specific to you, what you need to know. The goal is not for you to become an expert. The goal is for you to understand the process. We also cover what's expected from you. The webinar tickets are normally $199 each. As part of our special offer, we're offering the webinars for free. That's right, 100% free. As an added bonus for signing up, I know I mentioned in the beginning of this video that there are 5 pieces of advice I'd like to provide everyone who's buying, selling, or refinancing. During the video, we covered 4 of those pieces of advice. As an added bonus, if you register for a webinar, we will be emailing you the 5th piece of advice absolutely free. So hurry up, click the link below, register now, and take the next step in your stress-free real estate journey.